Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting in Side Settings, go straight to Wallpaper. Tap Wallpaper to see the lock and home previews so you know which image to remove. Once you've identified the target, tap the preview and press Edit or the three-dot menu if visible. You do this now because iPad keeps separate images for each screen. Deleting from one won't affect the other unless you choose both. Make sure you have time to confirm changes before leaving the menu. Now remove or replace the selected wallpaper. If you want it gone, choose Remove or set to Default/None. If you prefer replacement, pick Photos or an Apple preset. You do this to ensure the home and lock screens reflect your choice. Dynamic and live wallpapers may require toggling off in settings before removal. Once you select Remove, iPad reverts to a plain background or the default Apple image. Make deliberate choices so you don't lose a photo you want to keep. Finish by confirming both previews display the new default or blank background. If the old wallpaper still appears, restart the iPad to clear any cached preview. A soft reset usually fixes it. Make sure iCloud Photos isn't syncing the image back. If it is, delete the photo from iCloud or disable sync temporarily. If problems persist, update iPad OS and repeat removal. Updates can fix wallpaper bugs. That troubleshooting step prevents the deleted image from reappearing unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.